I'm giving y'all Alicia Keys slick. It's probably the hoops, because she used to wear a lot of big hoops, I think. Maybe I'm thinking of somebody else. This is kind of weird for me today because I haven't been on this channel in a little while, but here I am. I'm back. Hi, I'm Tyra the Third, and today we're just gonna do a quick video on these passion braids that I installed over my locks. A lot of people think when you have locks you are kind of stuck with that one particular style and you can't venture out and be versatile, and that's just simply not true. So I always like to come on here and do different videos showing different types of styles you can do while you still have your locks installed that won't hurt your locks if you do them properly. And actually, if you look closely, you can tell like this is actually a passion twist here, and then I'll have passion braids back here. So it's kind of a mix of passion braids and passion twists because towards the end I got really lazy and I was just like, bro, I'm just ready to get this done. So if you want to see how I achieve these passion braids slash twists, bob-ish cuts, just continue to keep watching and I'll see you soon. Just doing it for me right now. I'm about halfway done and this is what they're looking like right now. I'm keeping them about, they stopped at like my bust. One thing I'm noticing is like sometimes I'll forget that I'm supposed to be braiding and then I'll start twisting and I'll be like, dang. For the most part I'm braiding all the way to the end and then I'm twisting and leaving a rubber band to secure it and then just letting the ends be kind of loose so they could have that bohemian style. But these are taking a while. I've been working at this pretty much all day, so I would say I've been doing this. It took me 4 hours to get through the back. I have some locks that are super fat at the end and I'm having some difficulty tucking those, like this one. You see that? See how it just kind of sticks out and then I just keep going around it. For those I just take a rubber band and stick it on top of it, or I take a hairpin and I just try to stick it inside of the hair as much as I can, and then I'll hit the perimeter on camera so y'all can get a couple more angles of how I'm executing this. Okay, all right. done. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I literally spent all day doing these, so I would hate to just chop them all in half, but they are a bit heavier than I anticipated. Like, so I think I'm about to cut them in half. That's gonna be such a waste of hair. Cut it about here. I could have saved myself so much time. In my defense, this was my first time doing these. So this is one side and this is the other side. You see the difference? Yeah. Like when fall comes around, I'll definitely keep the longer ones, but it's summer right now. I'm hot nature. I'm literally sweating as I speak. I'm not even finna do that to myself. This is even still pushing it. Like, I'm probably gonna cut it again. Yes, so hopefully you guys got something out of that. Hopefully you got some tips, or this inspired you to try out, even if it's not passion braids, it inspired you to try out maybe Marley twist or passion twist, or switching up your locks with some sort of protective style. I definitely feel like I would do the longer version of passion braids for like the fall or the winter, even though in Georgia we don't really have winters anymore because, you know, global warming, and I just didn't want hair like hanging on me or hanging down my back. Not in this heat. It's a little too hot. If you haven't already, make sure that you I don't know, be nice. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Talk to me down there in the comment section. And I haven't said this in a while, so I'm forgetting. Oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe. I guess that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.